Hello there. Welcome to our channel Drive Hemoglobin. Today, we're diving into something incredibly important for our well-being as we embrace our golden years, supporting our leg strength and mobility. It's a topic that touches so many of us, and I'm excited to share some insights that can make a real difference. As we move past 60, maintaining strong, healthy legs isn't just about staying active, it's about preserving our independence, our ability to enjoy life's simple pleasures, and our overall quality of life. Think about it, walking with confidence, playing with grandchildren, or even just navigating your home with ease all rely on the strength and stability of our legs. It's a foundation for so much of what we love. While diet and exercise are undoubtedly the cornerstones of good health, sometimes a little extra support can be incredibly beneficial. Today, we're going to explore 3 key vitamins that can play a significant role in supporting your leg health and development as you age. These aren't magic bullets, but rather powerful allies in your journey towards stronger, more resilient legs. First on our list is vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is crucial for calcium absorption, which is vital for bone health. Strong bones are the bedrock of strong legs. When our bones are dense and healthy, they can better support our muscles and joints, reducing the risk of fractures and improving overall stability. Ensuring adequate vitamin D levels can significantly contribute to maintaining that essential leg strength. Next, let's talk about magnesium. This incredible mineral is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, and its role in muscle function is particularly noteworthy. Magnesium helps muscles contract and relax properly, which is essential for preventing cramps and improving muscle performance. For those of us looking to keep our legs feeling strong and responsive, adequate magnesium intake is a game changer. It helps our muscles work efficiently, supporting our movements and reducing fatigue. Finally, we have vitamin K2. While vitamin D helps absorb calcium, vitamin K2 directs the calcium to where it's needed most, our bones and teeth, and away from soft tissues like arteries. This is incredibly important for bone density and can contribute to stronger, healthier leg bones. By ensuring calcium is utilized effectively, vitamin K2 plays a vital role in building and maintaining the skeletal structure that supports our legs. Incorporating these vitamins into your routine, whether through diet or a carefully chosen supplement, can be a proactive step towards nurturing your leg health. Remember, consistency is key. Small, consistent efforts can lead to significant, long-term benefits. It's wonderful that you're taking the time to invest in your health and well-being. Your legs are your connection to the world, and keeping them strong allows you to continue exploring. Thanks for watching.